Yes, hello good people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, like this video, and also share it with your friends. So in today's video, we're going to look at a step-by-step installation of Xampp Server on Windows 10. Xampp 2022 is an imposing and cross-platform Apache distribution that has been enriched with third-party applications, which includes MySQL, PHP, and Perl. It has been developed as a web server that can come in handy in the creation and maintenance of a website. It provides the developers with a very easy as well as comfortable way to test the dynamic web pages without accessing the internet. So Xampp 2022 allows you to manage MySQL and SQLite databases, and you can create a remote hosting by using FileZilla FTP server. So this is quite handy for the administration of large content management system. So in Xampp 2022, by default, all the services are stopped, and you need to manually start the ones that you required and administer them simultaneously. So in the service settings, you can select for the Xampp control panel to run as service. So all in all, welcome back guys. So let's now follow the download process before we start installing. So on a new Chrome tab, we're going to open one and then type Xampp Server, and then we open. So in our outcome, you can see all we have here. So you're going to work with the first one, this one. So I'm going to click here, and then this will take us to this new page, and then we have all the download options here for Windows devices, and then for Linux, and then for the OS devices. So we're going to focus on Windows because I'm using Windows device, and then we're going to download the most latest file. And you can see from this file we have a file that it is approximately 165 MB. So I'm going to download this one.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
Guys, my file has already downloaded, and now it's time to install on our Windows 10. So in this particular folder, this is where I've saved the downloaded file, and then we're just going to open, and then you're going to find this subfolder here that have already been extracted from the main folder. So we're going to open this one, and then we are going to open it further. And at this point, we are now going to get our file ready to install. So I'm just going to click there and then run it as an administrator. This one has no problem, so just need to click OK to give it permission to install. And then on this particular wizard that has just opened here, we're going to click next. And then as you can see, all these components will be installed. They are very important. Remember, you can use any at a time. So you have MySQL, FileZilla FTP server, macOS server, and Tomcat. These ones are very important, so you don't need to unclick any of the highlighted components. So we go to the next button. We have to click next, and then the folder is okay on where we want our folder to be installed. And then I'm going to click next, and then next, and then our installation will just start. But again, you're going to be taken back to this page where they want you to see some other products from them that you can install. For example, you have the Bitnami WordPress module on top of the Xampp Server stack. So that's why this page will pop up. But now we are not interested in that. We just continue installing our software. This will take a few minutes, maybe probably around 5 or 10, depending on the speed of your computer and again on the internet connection that you have. But again, at the end of the day, the system or the software will install. As I said, the Xampp server will come with some other various components as you had seen from the other page, and this will be very crucial as you'll be using this particular system or software. And here they are. You can see the WordPress and the rest. So let's wait for the installation to start.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray. All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want.
Finally guys, as you can see, our file has already installed. It's now time to finish the installation and start to run the setup. It's finally here, so you can see all the modules are set: the Apache, the MySQL, the file, Zilla, Mercury and Tomcat. All of them are okay. So if you can click here, the start, you'll see that you have all the details of the Apache. So remember, you can only start one at a time.